Where the hell are my powers?
No, my powers. Where are they?
I want my powers back.
This is really weird.
Unfortunately, we only got two powers left, creation and destruction. I have a plan. Whoever is left powerless will evacuate citizens. Me and Peter will fight Nightfall and the Void Raiders.
Yeah, we can do this, guys. Don't lose hope.
Got it.
You better fix this. Yep, we're done.
Agreed. I don't think we have much time.
Nightfall, it's going to be over for you.
You'll repair all the damage you have done, Nightfall. We will see. Give the top ready.
No. No, Ash!
Sin, listen to me. You don't have to do this. Nightfall doesn't own you. You can still fight back.
Shut up! I'm not leaving Void Raiders. I don't want to.
Because it's not power. It's change. Everything you make is his command, not yours.
I said, shut up!
Yes! Even now, redemption isn't about what you've done. It's about what you choose next, and it's never too late. Sin, believe me, I see pain in you. You don't want this. See? You're not his puppet. That strike was yours.
No, what have I done? I'm so sorry. Please don't go. You believe in me that I could redeem. You can't die on me.
Let's just get this over with. I need cake as a reward later. Oh no.
Huh? Mom? Is that really you? I can't believe you're here. I missed you so much. Wait, I died?
Jayla! Look, Jayla, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to.
What do you want? After what you've said to me, you expect me to forgive you? You care about yourself only. Now leave me alone so I can focus on the fight.
You've lost, ninjas. Your world will fall into the void.
You did it, Nightfall. We have finally won.
What is this? No, I need to stop time. That was close. I'm gonna look around and see what just happened here. No, it can't end like this. I need to rewind time. I'm going to make up for my mistake that I made in the past. Come on. Right.
Look, Jayla, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to.
Didn't this already happen?
What just happened?
Use creation.
I'm not done yet.
That was close. Peter, we are the only ones with elemental powers. We need to go and stop Nightfall. He's running away.
No, I can't leave them here. I'm sorry, but I have to stay. I have to help our citizens and friends. Wait, why don't I just give you my powers?
Apparently, Nightfall has Stonewall not, so I can just lend you mine.
What? Isn't this too risky?
It is. No one knows what could happen if it gets into the wrong hands. But I trust you, Zoe. Stop Nightfall at any cost.
Alright, I won't let you down.
We're all counting on you. Go!
It's over.
Nightfall, whatever happens, it's end this time.
This is gonna be good.